Interesting information. Foods that provide mainly calories and very little nutrition are known as empty calories. Such foods include cake, cookies, processed meals, ice cream chips, pizza, soda, etc. Knowledge 3.3 Nutrients Deficiency Disorders. Every nutrient is important for proper body functions. Deficiency or excess of one or more nutrients cause health problems. Here is a table showing the harmful effects of lack of nutrients. Table 3.6 Nutrients Deficiency Disorders. Skill 3.4 Research the symptoms that they would have if there is a deficiency of any component: vitamin A, C, D, iron, calcium, fiber, water. S. Research skills. SS. Critical thinking, analysis. Objective: to empower students to research and understand the symptoms and health implications of deficiencies in various essential components of nutrition. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Jigsaw for Diseases Related to Nutritional Deficiencies and solve it. Knowledge 3.4 Healthy diet, balance of foodstuff. A healthy diet is a balanced diet. It includes a variety of foods from all the food groups. The correct proportion of these foods makes a meal balanced. A balanced meal fulfills the required need of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, etc. It prevents the body from any nutrient deficiency and effects of excessive use. Here the question is, how to manage the quantity of foodstuff to make it balanced? The answer lies in the formula. The balanced meal should offer 60 to 70% of total calories from carbohydrates, 10 to 20% from proteins, 20 to 25% of total calories from fats. Every one of us must have the knowledge of nutrient requirements according to our age. Pakistan Dietary Guidelines for Better Nutrition 2019 suggests the guidelines of a healthy, balanced diet for the age group 10–19 years old and others as well. Here is a food pyramid that guides us how much each of the nutrient we need to make our food balanced. Figure 3.13a Food pyramid helps manage balanced diet. Fats, oils, and sweets, use sparingly. Meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dry beans, and nuts, 2 to 3 servings. Milk, yogurt, and cheese, 2 to 3 servings. Vegetables, 3 to 5 servings. Fruits, 2 to 4 servings. Bread, cereal, rice, and pasta, 6 to 11 servings. Skills 3.5, 3.6. Consult the key recommendations of Pakistan's Healthy Food Guidelines 2019. Create design healthy meal menus within a budget. S. Research skills, creating. SS. Critical thinking, problem solving. Objective. To enable students to consult the key recommendation of Pakistan's Healthy Food Guidelines from 2019 and apply this knowledge to create and design healthy meal menus that are nutritionally balanced and cost-effective. Instructions. Scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Design Your Own Menu Within a Budget, and solve it. Skills 3.7, 3.8. Learn how to cook a healthy meal. Learn how to adapt a recipe to make it healthier. S. Life skills. SS. Creativity, critical thinking. Objective. To empower students with the knowledge and practical skills to prepare a healthy meal and ability to adapt recipes to make them healthy. Instructions. Scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Cook Healthy, Eat Healthy, and solve it. Diet and fitness. A balanced diet is useful when it absorbs properly and becomes a part of our body. A healthy body utilizes absorbed food to make energy. The high yield of energy needs consumption, otherwise, it stores in our bodies and causes obesity. On the other hand, the physical workout of the body requires energy that comes from food. Lack of a good diet leaves the body malnutrient. Deficiencies of one or more nutrients make the body unable to function normally. Therefore, a healthy diet and age-appropriate exercises are in coordination. They make the body fit and improve our mood and sleep pattern. It is a key to good health. A balanced diet and exercise together prevent obesity and reduce the risk of heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, and fatigue. Skills 3.9, 3.10. Think critically about their own food choices. Identify social aspects that influence food habits. S. Identification, creating. SS. Critical thinking, problem solving. Objective. To encourage students to think critically about their own food choices and recognize the social factors that influence their eating habits. Instructions. Scan the given QR code to access worksheet named as Investigation: The Effect of Social Determinant on Social Influence, and solve it. Play to learn. Organize a role-play activity in which the whole class participates. One learner can be selected as the king or queen of the class, while 5, 6 students can assume various roles as advisors, such as the royal's fitness instructor, their mother, their doctor, etc. Everyone else is the royal's new personal chef. Each candidate must pitch an ideal meal to the king, and talk about its nutritional benefits along with its taste and other features. The royal, after consulting their advisors, will hire their new chef.